All right, so Rocky Mountain Race Week, looks like we blew a head gasket, and I didn't know it till a couple of days ago when I was getting ready for streetcar takeover. I went to test it, and the overflow from my radiator, which is right here, the little vent, it actually vents right between the fender and the hood when it's installed. And I went out and do a test rip on the street, and every time it made boost, spraying out of there, so not good. Gonna go ahead and pull the whole motor. Gives me a good chance to just look at bearings and whatnot. Everything back together.